We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with a comprehensive expert overview of the Speks Fleks flexible silicone magnetic fidget toy. This product is designed as a sensory gadget and desk toy for adults and teens aged 14 and up. It comes as a 6-piece set in the bluegrass colorway, though some customers have noted receiving different colors than ordered. The toy consists of flexible silicone pieces embedded with magnets, allowing users to create endless shapes by snapping and twisting the pieces together. The silicone material is soft, squishy, and durable, making it suitable for extended play and stress relief. Its quiet magnetic clicks provide a satisfying tactile experience without disturbing others, which is ideal for office or home environments. Users appreciate the versatility of the Flex, noting that the magnets are strong enough to hold various configurations, but not so strong as to be difficult to manipulate. The ability to create hundreds of different shapes stimulates imagination and creativity, transforming a simple desk into a playful art space. This makes Flex not only a stress relief tool, but also a creative outlet. Many reviewers mention that the toy helps them focus by keeping their hands busy during work calls or while listening to audio content. However, it is noted that the toy requires 2 hands and visual attention, so it may not be ideal for video calls where one must look at the screen constantly. The product is praised for its high quality and quiet operation. The silicone texture is smooth and pleasant to touch, and the magnets click satisfyingly into place. Some users have multiple Speks fidget toys and enjoy the variety of textures and magnet types offered by the brand. The toy's quietness and unobtrusive size make it perfect for watching TV, waiting during games, or simply as a desk companion. It is also portable enough to be used on the go, though the absence of a carrying pouch is a drawback for some. Without a pouch, it is easy to misplace one or more magnetic pieces, so extra care is needed when traveling with it. A few users mention that the silicone material tends to attract pet hair, which can be a minor nuisance. Despite this, the toy appears durable and able to withstand regular use over time. The magnets are strong enough to keep pieces together for storage, which helps prevent loss. Some customers have gifted Flex to friends or family members and report positive reactions, highlighting its appeal as a thoughtful and fun gift option. On the downside, some reviewers feel that the toy's play options are somewhat limited unless multiple sets are combined or used alongside other magnetic fidget toys. The need for 2 hands and visual focus can restrict its use in certain situations. Additionally, a small number of customers experience receiving a different color than ordered, which they found inconvenient but not worth the hassle of returning. Overall, the Speks Fleks flexible silicone magnetic fidget toy is a well-made, enjoyable sensory gadget that offers stress relief and creative play. It is especially suited for adults and teens who appreciate tactile stimulation and quiet fidgeting during work or leisure. Its compact size, durable silicone construction, and satisfying magnetic clicks make it a versatile desk toy with good reusability value. While it has minor drawbacks such as hair attraction and lack of a travel pouch, these do not significantly detract from its overall appeal. We encourage viewers who own this product to leave their own reviews in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support the channel and for easy access. This review is based on extensive customer feedback and product details to provide a thorough and balanced perspective on the Speks Fleks. Whether you are looking for a stress relief tool, a creative desk accessory, or a unique gift, Flex offers a fun and functional option that stands out in the fidget toy market.